Tired of fumbling through menus and typing with a controller? Let's unlock a faster way to find videos using your voice on YouTube for Xbox. First, make sure your Kinect sensor is properly connected and calibrated, or that your headset is plugged into your controller. Press the Xbox button on your controller to bring up the guide. Navigate to the Home tab, then go down to Settings. Select Settings, then scroll down the list of options and choose Kinect and Devices. Next, select Voice. Ensure that voice activation is turned on. This allows your Xbox to listen for voice commands. Now, launch the YouTube app from your Xbox dashboard. Once YouTube is open, say Xbox, Bing to activate voice command mode. The Bing app will open. Within the Bing app, tell the Bing app to open the YouTube app. Now, simply say YouTube, search followed by what you want to find. For example, say YouTube, search funny cat videos. If the voice recognition isn't working perfectly, try speaking clearly and directly into your Kinect sensor or headset microphone. Make sure there's minimal background noise. And that's it. You're now a voice search pro on YouTube for Xbox. Enjoy faster, easier access to all your favorite content. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Xbox tips and tricks.